Indonesia, a nation racing towards an electric future, dreaming of clean streets and global EV leadership. But what if this multi-billion-dollar dream is being held hostage by an enemy within? A shadowy network of gangsters threatens to pull the plug before the revolution truly begins. Indonesia isn't just aiming to join the EV revolution, it plans to lead it. With the world's largest nickel reserves, a key battery component, and ambitious government policies, the stage is set for an economic transformation. They envision millions of electric vehicles on their roads, a booming domestic battery industry, and a greener tomorrow. But this bright vision faces a dark challenge: the pervasive problem of premanism. In this video, we'll uncover how these local gangsters are threatening to derail Indonesia's entire EV dream, and ask the critical question: can the nation overcome this deep-rooted menace? Indonesia's EV strategy is comprehensive, ranging from mining nickel to manufacturing batteries and cars. It has also attracted giants like BYD and VinFast, with significant incentives. The economic stakes are massive: jobs, technological advancement, and a move up the global value chain. But who are these Preman? Historically, they were local strongmen, sometimes even integrated into power structures. Today, many operate as organized gangs, often disguised as ormas or community organizations, engaging in systematic extortion, intimidation, and territorial control. They demand protection money, force companies to use specific suppliers, or block project sites if their demands aren't met, creating a climate of fear and uncertainty. The threat isn't abstract. Major international EV projects are already feeling the heat. China's BYD and Vietnam's VinFast, both making significant investments to build factories in Subang, West Java, have reported disruptions and extortion attempts by these groups. Imagine planning a multi-million-dollar facility, crucial for the EV ecosystem, only to have its construction hampered by thugs. Industrial estates, meant to be secure hubs for manufacturing, are described as prime hunting grounds for extortion in places like Karawang and Batam. Companies face demands for coordination fees, forced hiring, and control over essential services, adding extreme unofficial costs. Land acquisition, essential for these massive projects, becomes a battleground, with land mafias often linked to Preman using coercion to displace communities or inflate costs. Even the critical nickel supply chain isn't immune. Reports point to illegal mining, smuggling, and corruption, potentially tainting Indonesian nickel's green credentials with environmental damage and illicit practices. The cumulative effect? A chilling impact on investor confidence. Businesses hate uncertainty, and the unpredictable nature of these demands makes Indonesia a riskier bet, potentially driving investment to more stable neighboring countries. The Indonesian government is aware of the problem. Initiatives like the Saber Pungli Task Force aim to sweep away illegal levies, and special security designations exist for vital national projects. Police have pledged to act against disruptive ormas. Yet, the problem persists. Reports suggest these efforts often fall short against such deeply entrenched networks, sometimes allegedly protected by rogue officials. The economic toll is estimated to be hundreds of trillions of rupiah in lost investments. So, the question remains stark. Are these measures enough to break the stranglehold of premanism and secure Indonesia's EV future? Indonesia's EV dream hangs in the balance. Can it overcome this shadowy economy to power its future? What are the potential solutions to this problem? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this investigation insightful, Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others who need to know, and subscribe for more deep dives into the critical issues shaping our world. Thanks for watching.